Hi, this is John with WATI, and this is one of the best protein shakes that I've tried so far. This is the muscle milk chocolate flavor. So one of the things that I like the most is how great it tastes. I just put this in the freezer or in the fridge for a while. Came out, take this, and it tasted awesome. The chocolate flavor is not going to be too hard like most protein shakes is gonna feel. But at the same time, this is a great option for you to supply yourself with the right amount of protein intake for the day. This is 32 grams of protein. You have to do a lot to get that. And for me, during the day, as it's for me, it's a struggle to get the right amount of protein as I'm doing mostly a lot of things these days. And tracking, it's not my thing. But I know that if I'm taking a several amount of protein during the day, it's gonna be easier for me just to reach my protein goals of the day. So if you're looking for a great option, this is good. So this was John with WATI, and that was my point of view.